Children, welcome to English class. Today we'll be solving worksheet 2 of the chapter Mangoes and Guavas. It's all about pronouns, children. Okay, children, please let me remind you that pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun. It's a word which takes the place of the noun. The words which we use in place of the noun is called pronoun. For example, he, she, it, they, I, we, you. Okay, children, let's begin now. Now, first exercise, that is a question number 1, says that circle the correct pronoun. Means you have to select the correct pronoun, okay, which is given in the bracket. Okay, first observe the picture carefully. Okay, now he is throwing dash dash means dash. Here it is dash, and there are 3 options: it, them, if, in the dustbin. Okay, now you know that for the non-living things, and for the animals, we use the pronoun that is it, it. He is throwing it in the dustbin. We cannot say he is throwing them or he is throwing if. So the correct is it. He is throwing it in the dustbin. Next, look at this picture. Okay, now he, she, or they. Out of the 3, you have to select the correct one. For the lady, what you will be using it is talking on the phone. So we cannot say he because the picture is not of a man. So yes, she, absolutely, because she is used for the girls and for the ladies better. So she is talking on the phone. Here, you please observe the picture carefully here. Okay, we are talking about this fellow, this person. Okay, Dash is carrying her bag. Now you see 2 pictures are there, but one person is carrying the bag, and absolutely he is a man. And for the man, what we will be using? He is carrying her bag. Why her? Because that lady is a woman. Her bag. Okay, I'll just scroll. Yes. Now again observe the picture carefully. Okay, this lady is smiling. Okay, so she is smiling at I, them, or her. Absolutely, she is smiling at her because she is a small girl in front. That lady is smiling. So for the girl, what you'll be using? Her. She is smiling at her. Okay, now next. Okay, underline the pronouns in the passage given below. Passage means a paragraph. This is a passage. The paragraph is given over here. We have to read, and we are only going to underline the pronouns. Again, I am repeating, the word which is used in place of the noun is called a pronoun. For example, he, she, it, they, I, me, you, we, their, them. All these words are pronoun. इसमें नाम नहीं रहता है. There is no proper name as such over here. Okay, let's begin. One day, Perumal went to the town. One day, we are talking about Perumal. Perumal went to the town. Next line, he wanted to sell. Instead of Perumal, we have written he. So, he is a pronoun. He is a pronoun. The star, the line which I have underlined and the star is a pronoun. The Perumal is a noun. In place of Perumal, हमने use किया he. He wanted to, every time we cannot say Perumal, 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 Perumal every line. In place of Perumal, in place of a noun, it's a noun, we are using now he. So he is a pronoun. He wanted to sell mangoes. The mangoes were delicious. He, again he beta. Okay, he gave the mangoes to an old woman. Okay, she, yeah, she. Now we cannot say old woman. Okay, that is a noun. In place of old woman, she. अब वो noun की जगह में she use किया गया. So she threw one mango away because it was rotten. What was rotten? In place of mango, they have given it. So it is a pronoun. Then she paid. Again she. She paid the money to Perumal. Perumal is a noun. And in place of Perumal, he went home. Again, he was very happy. So, the line with the star are the pronouns beta. Okay, next now, yes, rewrite. Question number 3, rewrite का मतलब है फिर से लिखो. Rewrite means to write again. Rewrite the sentences using correct pronouns. Here, Sarah and Meera are good friends. Here we are talking about two nouns, Sarah and Meera. Now, in place of these two, what is saying? Rewrite the sentence using correct pronoun. Okay, हमको फिर से लिखना है. So let's write. Now you will write Sarah and Meera are good friends. Okay, here we are talking about Sarah and Meera. Dash go to same school. We go to same school or they, because we are talking about them. So we नहीं आएगा. They are not talking to you directly. Now they are the third person now. So I am saying that Sarah and Meera are good friends. They go to same school. So you have to use the word, your pronoun they. You will use the word they, and don't use the word we. And again you write the entire sentence as it is. Next now, B. Gopal helps everyone. Here we are talking about Gopal. Only one boy. Gopal helps everyone. He is helpful boy or it is helpful boy. Absolutely we have to choose he. आपको he लिखना पड़ेगा. It you don't use. Again write he is a helpful boy. Next, Komal likes to eat fruits. ये इसको वैसे की वैसे लिखो. Here we are talking about Komal. For Komal, what we will using? She is only one girl. We cannot use we. This is wrong. This is the correct one. She likes apples the most. Next, Rahul is talking to Rani. Rahul is talking to Rani. So now we are talking about Dash loves to play guitar with Dash. So Rahul के लिए क्या use करेंगे? He, not she. He loves to play the guitar with whom? With Rani. So for Rani we will be using her, not him. So Rahul is talking to Rani. He loves to play the guitar with her. Okay beta, I have written this answer. You can see it. Let me do the next one. Okay, question number 3. Read the words and color the toffees using the color code. Now the two things we have to find out. One is pronoun. वन हमको प्रोनाउन ढूंढना है, प्रोनाउन, and that to red color I think so. Let me see. Yes, red. And if they are not pronoun, other words we have to use blue color. We have to use blue color. Now I'll begin with red color. Yes, pronoun. Y-O-U-U. Yes, it's a pronoun. So we will use red color. Sam, no. She, yes, she is a pronoun, red color. Run, no, it's an action word. Next line, book, it's a noun, no. I, yes, it's a pronoun, beta. Okay, me, yes, it's a pronoun. Dog, no, it's a noun. Him, yes, pronoun. They, yes, pronoun. Then jump, it's an action. Bed, no, it's a noun. He is a pronoun. Then fish is a noun, no. Fork, no, it's a noun. Hat, no, it's a noun. And for others, we have to use blue color. So let's do the blue color, because they are not pronoun. Either they are verb, action word, or they are noun. Is it clear? So this is how you have to do. Only the pronouns you will be using the red color. Let me explain you. Pronouns के लिए आएगा she. 1 minute. I'll use red. Okay. Now he, she, it, okay, they, them, we, okay, are, okay, us, them, their, but ये सब it, okay. Then anything left out? Him, okay, him, then her, okay. All these are called pronouns, beta. Okay. Now here is the answer which we have done, beta. This is question number 1. See, this is solved one. Then question number 2, underline the pronoun. You can check it out. Okay. This is the third one where you have to rewrite the sentences again. आपको फिर से लिखना है सही pronoun चुन के. You have to select the correct pronoun and you have to write the sentence again, beta. ठीक है? And the last one, question 4 says, I have already explained you all the pronouns red color, beta. ठीक है? And other words with a blue color. ठीक है? That's all for today, beta. Thank you. God bless you.